Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rahul. I am a senior PPC executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with another educational video. Today we will discuss about how to use ad variation in Google Ads. So without wasting a time, let's go to the screen. You are on my screen now. To use ad variation in Google Ads, first of all you need to log in your Google Ad account. After that, go to the experiment section and click add variation. Click on the plus icon. After that, need to select our campaign here. After that, click continue section. So here we have options like find and replace, update URL, update text. So currently I am running the ad for this storage facility, and this headline I am using as a third headline. So just suppose if I want to use a different headline as a call to action, so I have to create ad variation in Google Ads. So for the same, just copy this headline and enter this to the find text, and here we need to add headline which will replace with the original headline. So here I am adding book your storage now. This is because I want to test this call to action, and later I will check how this call to action perform as compared to the rent and pay online call to action. So after that, click on continue. Here need to give a name of this ad variation. So I am giving here test. Also we have option to start date and end date, and here we can enter the budget split, like how much budget we want to use our existing ad and use to a new ad variation. So after that, need to click create variation. So our ad variation is created successfully. In near future, you can also check the stats of this ad here. Also you can check our ad variation detail. Basically this ad variation we mostly use for the offers and to test our call to actions. This will really help you to test multiple call to action and offers, and also we can test descriptions and our paths by following these steps. So this is how you can set up new ad variation in Google Ads. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.